Hey everyone, it's your friend Maximus and welcome back to more Roblox videos. If you want to see more Roblox, then click the like button and let's make it to 15 likes on this one. It seems pretty easy for you, so if you're new here, then consider subscribing too. You may see I'm here, I earned some money, but to let you know I didn't tell you is I changed my format. I feel that glass isn't so good, and I have a level 2 waiter, and I have a chef level 2. See? And go to work, chef. Come on, let's go. And I have new restaurant foods. It's like I have where is my food menu. I have American, British, Italian, and Mexican. And let's continue, because I will soon delete everything here. I will just you want a taco? Seriously? Because I know that 2 people make 16 and 1 makes 8, so 8 and 8 make 16. So if I have 2 more chairs, I would have 8, 16, 24, 32 euros plus. So I want to buy very big tables, a table for 4 or for 6, something like that. And I'm going to be ready to waste a lot of money. And when I say a lot, come on, you're eating here. Hello. I'm waiting for the taco. Cook, my chef, cook. Oh, this is the first time I just saw him with a frying pan, actually. Okay, I'll help him because I will soon buy a. Come on, are you finished? You don't have any more orders, huh? Come on, eat. You have a bottle of water. What was that doing here? Oh, I thought the bottle of water was actually. Look at the cash. You're waiting for cookies, okay? Dessert. I'm going to cook for you if you want. Come on, let's start. Oh, you're cooking this? Too bad. Okay. I'll show you my satisfaction. So I have 1 3/4 4 stars. Value is 2.5k. 1.8 stars. Okay, 1.8, pretty good. And I have my service, I think, pretty good. I'm not saying it's actually extreme good, but do I have service? Yes, service is 0.8. And I think that in this video we may hit 1.0. What do you think? See, look. 16. One is 8, the other one is 8. Okay? 294. And the next waiter or chef is $500. Oh no. Okay. Yee. Hello. You have tea, right? What's this? How is the tea on the floor, actually? 22. Oh. Okay, 22. Because I think the price isn't that high for the cookies. So 226. Just. So you want a bolognese? That's my favorite food, actually. I'm cooking the bolognese, yeah. So. Oh, cutting some meat up, of course, some salt, some space. Ooh, so it's like we're boiling pasta now, because in the previous video I think you didn't see the we're making salsa. And when is the pasta then? Spaghetti bolognese. I'll bring it, don't worry. I took it. Move. So you're working there, right? Eat. You don't have a fork, seriously. You eat spaghetti bolognese with a fork. You don't just eat it like hum yum yum yum, because then the pasta won't actually be stable on the plate. Let's go and look at other. It's hard to leave them alone, but yes, I'll leave them on their own. Let's go and check some some tables we need to buy, maybe. There's a car. Oh, can we drive it? You cannot? No, you cannot. Oh, that's sad. There's a Jeep. Okay, so talk. Wendy, welcome to Ikea. Okay, what are you going to say? Nothing, you just say welcome, okay? You don't even give me a tour. So, we need to find big tables. This one is like 1, 2. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A table for 8. That would be 8 times 8 is 64. It's like in like 2 minutes when 8 people come. We have to find comfy chairs actually. Also, just buy a table like this practically. And after I think there are chairs upstairs because these don't look that fashion for. Because my restaurant that is basically not a fast food restaurant. I want it like more basic. So okay. Oh, there are chairs there. There's another table here. Oh, I think I know what to do. We put one table here. One of these. Yes, that stays there. Then we bring one and put it behind this. Yes, but how much does one cost? One is 60. And how much is a table? 120. We would have only $26 left. So let me go back to my oh, you may teleport. Oh, there's a teleport there. I forgot. Go! Yay! 22. Okay, 22. How much? 248 and another 22. 270. Exactly. Okay. Where are my customers? My customers are missing. Oh, hello. A table for 2, please. Yes. Oh, the chef and the waiter are almost ready to hit level 3. Perfect. Tacos, you want tacos? I'll help you then. Chef, I want fast food here. Okay, so space rapidly, of course. Space again. Alright. You do that twist. I just love this the space actually. It's pretty good. It fits down. Oh, space. Space, okay. So you may yeah, you're level 3. Come on, you have to no, the chef is still not level 3. I feel bad for the chef. It looks like that he has to be level 3 actually, but up some sauce. Yeah, go and get the order. So I'll help you. I'll just get the fish and chips. Fish and chips here. Why is the coffee on the floor? Why is the coffee on the floor? Yes, I picked it for you. Come on. Yes, the chef is level 3. What is my service? Collect the come on, collect the cash. 286. My service. We have 2 stars. Service is 1.6, guys. That's what I told you today. We hit 1.6. Well, actually we skipped it, but okay. Yeah, 16 cash, sorry. Okay, we have 402. Boom. I would prefer hiring another chef. Maybe then maybe we'll buy something else in the next video probably, but it's hard to choose. Hello people, I'll help you. Come on, come here. I'll help you. Okay, you cook, little chef. Big chef. Okay, you collect the orders, I'll help you then. Okay, whoa, hot dog. You just literally just switched places. You're serious. Space, sorry, space. Up, of course. Up. Eee, hot dog, you took the hot dog. Yes. Go, let's go. Well, I'll finish this video here. Well, guys, and that is it for Roblox. If you guys want to see more Roblox on my channel, if you have any suggestions, write in the comment below and make sure to like and post in the comments below. And if you're new here, then remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and to never miss my uploads. And then I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Goodbye.